Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 12th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the Euro dollar had a big push up today. And in hindsight, you can see that this is definitely one wave down, three waves up, one wave down. It's actually a higher high. So it's like a running ABC correction. Then it looks like a wave one, wave two, and a wave three. I had to put my weekly time frame Fibonacci retracement on here to show that now that it pushed up that much, I would say that it probably almost definitely is going to make its way up to the 78% Fibonacci right around the 1.174 area. And perhaps that would be the next area of big resistance for me. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely don't think this trend is over. I mean, what kind of a pullback we're going to see, I guess we'll have to wait and see. But if we do get like a nice little three-way pullback, I definitely would continue to look for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks, potentially for the continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.